Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of photography with the Zostuic 64MP 4K digital camera, a powerhouse for both photography and videography enthusiasts. This Ultra HD digital camera boasts a 64 megapixel resolution and 4K video capabilities, enhanced by a 13 megapixels photosensitive chip and 6-axis anti-shake technology, ensuring stable and crystal clear shots whether you're capturing sports, portraits, or distant landscapes. With its advanced dual lens system, the camera features both front and rear lenses, perfect for self-vlogging and quick selfies, while the 16x zoom and autofocus allow you to capture both long-distance and macro scenes effortlessly. The 3-inch IPS HD screen, combined with a user-friendly interface and mode dial, offers convenient shooting settings and quick access, while the super bright flash ensures your night scenes are as vivid as day. Equipped with a large capacity rechargeable battery, this compact camera supports over 8 hours of shooting with its 2 batteries, making it ideal for travel without the hassle of frequent charging. Beyond its impressive photography features, this multifunctional point-and-shoot camera includes a 32G SD card and offers various creative options like timestamp, slow motion, and 20+ filters, and it can even function as a webcam for live streaming. Whether you're gifting it for a special occasion or using it to capture life's beautiful moments, the Zostuic 64MP 4K digital camera promises to be a reliable companion, backed by 2 years of worry-free service.